Can I be heard? Just give a thumbs up if you can hear me. Hello. Okay, I'm just going to see. Okay, super. I'm just going to check if Gina's come online. No, she hasn't. We'll just wait. Oops, my connection. I'll just check. She's come. Okay, she's still not here. I'm looking. Let's just wait for a bit. Hi guys. Hi Rinku. Hi Pranshu. So Gina's here, and she's just joining in. I'm good. How are you guys doing? Yeah, how's it going at home? Is everybody doing a lot of cooking? Hi, Gina. I can't see you, Gina. It's saying waiting. Oh, enjoying my me time. There's ample of me time and family time, right? With everybody being around. Just waiting for Gina. Okay. I have been cooking, reading, trying new stuff. Hi, Gina. How are you?
Good. Is this okay? Hi, Dr. Rupa. I can see.
Your camera, because we are seeing you.
Is this better?
Yes, perfect, perfect.
Just give me a second.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Is this okay?
Yes, perfect.
Thank you for joining, everyone.
Yes, thank you for coming in. We'll just wait for a bit. How's it going, Gina? How was your day today? Busy preparing?
Yes, I'm excited to do all this. Like last 1 hour went on making all the prep, and I'm very happy that the prep is looking good. And my mother has been a great support behind, who like really helped me because it's her kitchen. But I'm excited. Just wanted to share that we'll be doing 4 recipes today, and what 2 recipes will have an addition. So hang in with us together. Rishika, shall we start with the recipes?
Yeah, can I just give a very brief intro about you?
Yes.
So, guys, this is Gina Rathod. She's a plant-based nutrition chef. She and Dr. Rupa started Kitchen Doctor because they believed that a lot of cures can be started from the kitchen. And the woman of the house is the boss. So she can be empowered to, take health in her hands. Secondly, Gina's also been a food consultant for Birdsong Cafe and Earth Cafe. Yeah, so okay, let's go ahead. And Gina, I thought that summertime's here, why not put some quick, easy to do recipes together? So this is our first series. We'll be doing around 3 to 4 in the coming month. So let's start, Gina. Let's go ahead.
Thank you, Rishika, for this. Yeah, I just wanted to share that at Kitchen Doctor, what we aim to do is that we want to empower each life to take charge of their health. And what we believe is that the good health first begins in the kitchen. So the intention of the class today is that every person can get creative, and one has realized in this time, especially a lot of my friends who are never into the kitchen, they are sending me recipes of what they've made. So I feel that every person can become very creative and can be a good cook if they have the intention to make good food. While people make good food, they sometimes don't realize what's healthy and what's not healthy. So our intention right now, where Ruchika is there online and even Dr. Rupa is along on the call on the video chat, that we want to share that how reversal of lifestyle diseases can happen when we start eating wholesome or whole food plant-based meals. So summer is here and we will do 4 recipes today. The first one is a fennel seed cooler, which we will be doing.
One second.
Sorry?
I'm just 1 second. I'm going to put the comments off and we'll take questions for the, whatever questions you have after each recipe, so that way you can see what Gina is doing. So I'm going to put the comments off right now.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm not like, I wish I had like a better camera angle to show what we are doing, but okay, anyway, I'll just keep the camera there. It's fine. I was just thinking. So, thank you. Fennel seed cooler. Fennel seed is also called soft in Hindi, and because it's summertime right now, and when we feel very thirsty and we still want to not drink water, I think it's a great idea to have this fennel seed cooler. And last week I made it for myself at home, and I kept sipping on, and it kept me also full. So this is the soaked. Okay, let me see the camera. Yeah, this is a soaked fennel seed. So, which you can keep it fennel seed under in water for 6-7 hours. And then what I did is this soaked fennel seed, I blended it in a small jar and strained it with some water. And I got this fennel seed extract. So this is something which we can keep it in the fridge, which will not get spoiled, and it's quite strong. So this is the fennel seed extract, and this is the, after I strained it, so this is the what do you call the remaining part of it. So I'm not going to discard this. When I make my herbal tea, I can use this. So also the intention is to try and do as much as low waste rather than discarding stuff. So this can be gone into a herbal tea. So this is the fennel seed extract water. That's lemon juice. I have 2 options. People who are diabetic and want to abstain from having jaggery powder, that's date paste, which I have made. It takes like 10 minutes to be made, this date paste. You just soak dates in hot water, de-seed them, and then you just blend it. So this is a great sugar substitute in terms of when you make your cake, cookies, halwa, all the desserts. So whatever I'm making from at my home, I'm right now with my parents. I'm living with my parents at this moment, and my dad's diabetic. So I'm making a lot of desserts for him, and I'm using this for any Indian or Western desserts. And also for people who don't want to use date paste, I have this organic jaggery powder. So we can use this. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 spoon of fennel seed fennel seed extract, 1 spoon of lemon juice, and I'm adding 1 spoon of jaggery powder. Putting some water. Yeah. So if you have mint leaves at home, you can add mint leaves, and that's it. It's ready. It's that easy.
Wow.
Yeah. It is very refreshing. So you can adjust the taste accordingly. You want it strong or you want it mild with lemon or jaggery or date paste. But this can be sipped in during the day, especially if it's so hot. And at times, I just wanted to add that we feel that we are very hungry, and actually we are not hungry. So we can actually substitute our hunger when we're not really hungry with drinking during summertime this fennel seed cooler. And we can add a little bit of mint leaves in it or chia seeds if you want as option. So yeah, my first recipe is ready. And another option over here is if we don't have cough and we still want to enjoy drinking something sweet and fun, I try to do this. I called it as a Gatorade. You know, in college you would have a Gatorade, and that's not healthy. But a lot of times I used to think that having a Gatorade will make me feel energetic instantaneously. So it is an accidental recipe I did, which is nothing but date paste, water, little bit of lemon juice, and you blitz it in a mixie, and you can just have it. So that's it. Just date paste, lemon juice, and if you would like, you can add a little bit of black salt to get a little bit of flavor in it, but optional. Yeah. So my first recipe is done.
Okay, so let me just see if anyone has any questions on that. So, does anybody have any questions on the fennel seed cooler? Okay, I don't see anything. Um, do you want to move on to the next one then?
Sorry?
Do you want to move on to the next one? I don't see any questions.
I'm going to go on to another one. This is an onion chutney. I feel that many of us who are not from Kerala may not know about this chutney. And again, as I shared that today, the recipe is what we are summarize the first recipe. Okay, someone has said that. Maybe we can do that later.
Yeah.
So I am doing this onion chutney, which is
you later on email us. You send a DM with your email address. We'll send you all the recipes.
Yeah, so if you can DM us your email ID.
Summarize it. So just summarize it once.
Yes. So all the recipes will be sent to you on email, whatever we are demonstrating today. So this is something I assure you all, it's the most delicious onion chutney I have had in my life. And especially in the times where we are living and we don't want to, like we want to have something more flavorful and get very lazy. This chutney is our go-to to have it with brown rice or like a soupy red rice or dosa. So what is this chutney? I would actually want to know from the comments later that how many of you guys know about this chutney, but it's very, very unique and it's a hit in my family also. Another thing I want to add about onion, especially because of COVID-19 and when we have fever, in last 8 years of my life, from beginning from 2011 November, whenever I've got fever, it was 104 or I've never popped in a single pill. So last 8 years of my life, never ever for any kind of illness of my body, especially when it came to fever, I have popped in a pill. So what I do is I always extract like one onion and have onion juice and the temperature comes down. So that's a hack I wanted to share about when we get a temperature high. So right now I feel that onion is a great like I don't like to eat a lot of raw onion, but this chutney has onions. It has tamarind. So I have a tamarind pulp over here. So onion, tamarind, ginger, raw curry leaves, and green chili. So this is all which will go in our blender. I'm going to blend this and add a little salt. So will you blend this now? I'm going to ask my mom to blend this over here. Again, I'll do a recap. Onion, ginger, curry leaves, tamarind, green chili. Yeah, that's about it. But it is a delicious chutney. I assure you that. Try it with some soupy rice today, tomorrow, or the dosa or something like that. So in the meanwhile, my mom is helping me blend the chutney. I will. Ruchika, do you have any questions, or should I proceed further?
1 second. I think onion is a very good temperature regulator. Regularizes the temperature. Yeah, do you have any questions regarding the onion chutney? I think once it's ready, just summarize it once more.
Sure.
Add
So
water.
let's go on to the third.
hold on. Do you add water in the onion chutney?
We will blitz it, and maybe like a teaspoon of water will go. Depends upon how my chutney looks. So right now, like just like a teaspoon, a tablespoon of water, or 2 tablespoons of water. That's it to make it. But it is going to be just 1 second, getting blended.
Yeah, I'll just wait till she's done blending. We'll just... Yeah, but I was also reading that onion is very good if you have cold, and if you just hang an onion in the bedroom, it clears the nasal passage. Hang it in the night.
Actually, water is not needed in the chutney because the onion itself releases water.
Itself, yeah.
So I don't think the water is not needed.
Right, right. But can someone's asking if Sagar's asking if you can replace tamarind with lemon. You know, some people react to tamarind, so can they replace it with lemon?
You, the USP of this chutney has like the tamarind is needed in this chutney. Otherwise, the flavor will be not that wow. But put it in the bowl. But we can try with lemon juice. It will taste good. I'm sure.
Yeah, maybe Sagar.
Someone is saying that onion also draws all the bacteria, but the onion has been just cut fresh.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
that right now the onion is cut fresh. But yeah, Dr. Rupa is saying we can use raw mangoes. That's a good idea. Instead of tamarind, if you don't want to use tamarind, we can use raw mango.
And can you also?
Or kokum.
Kokum is also a good option. Sagar, that's a good option.
Yeah.
Great. So.
And again, we made.
Do you soak kokum? Do you have to soak the kokum?
Yeah, we have to soak the kokum in hot water, and then we can use kokum. So I think the substitute for tamarind could be raw mango, thanks to the chat, or kokum. Right. We can try. And what I have used is this. So it's smelling so good actually. The ginger and tamarind together. I just want to show you how it looks. Kuchika, is it seen?
Is it like creamish color or greenish color? Like I'm not.
It is the color. Okay, hold on.
Okay. And
I'm not able
to keep this. How long can you keep it in the fridge?
Okay, hold on. Just, can you show?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Okay. So my friend is saying, Anshuman, that okay, Nandini is requesting, please turn off the comments. So maybe we can turn off the comments. And then again, we'll take on the questions second time. So I'll recap the recipe again about this onion chutney. But it will be a great feedback for us to know if you have made this chutney. So whoever is watching the video, please make the chutney, and if you do hashtag kitchen doctor, you will know that you guys made the chutney. A lot of in Kerala and in Karnataka, a lot of times when they don't want to make any sabji, they make this ganji rice or this Kerala rice, which is very tasty in flavor. So they make it little watery, and they have just onion chutney and the rice. Like it's a very comforting dish. So yeah, this is the onion chutney. Now we'll go on to the third recipe. Is that okay, Ruchika? Shall we?
1 second. And how long can you keep this in the fridge?
Not making like try and buy Tetra Pak